There is one thing that I value very deeply. It's something that was ingrained in me from a very young age. Hospitality, the idea of making people feel at home when they visit. And to me, that has always been closely connected to food. When we have guests over, we often spend a lot of time thinking about what to cook, what dish to make, how to plate it, whether there is enough for everyone. But I think we often overlook something surprisingly important. What's in the glass? Offering someone a beautiful drink is underrated. Because a drink is often the first thing you serve. It sets the tone. It tells someone, you're welcome here. I'm happy you came. And there is something special about serving a drink made with intention. It's simple, but so meaningful. To me, being welcoming is also about being inclusive. Not everyone drinks alcohol, so why should their only option be water, soda, or juice? While everyone else gets something carefully chosen, poured into a nice glass. I sometimes think of it like inviting a vegetarian to a dinner party and offering them a tomato or a salad while everyone else eats steak. Very unfair. It sends a message, even if it's not intentional. That not everyone was equally considered. A drink made with care does the opposite. It says, I thought about you too. And I think that feeling matters. Another important part of hospitality is sharing. In my home, if someone visits, there is no such thing as my food and your food. There is just food. I actually love when friends feel comfortable enough to walk into the kitchen and grab a snack or pour themselves a drink. To me, that's not rude. It means they feel at home. And growing up, that's how life was. We ate at our friends' homes all the time. There was no need to announce your visit days in advance. You just showed up, and if it happened to be dinner time, everyone ate. No questions asked. I still carry that with me to date. I love making things like this. Simple ingredients that become something big. Hospitality isn't always about planned meals. It can be as simple as handing someone a cold glass of something refreshing, made with love on a warm day. What people remember most is not what you served, it's how you made them feel. Cheers. Cheers.